Let's talk about AND function. It's a logical function. It returns true if all tests are passed and it returns false if any of the tests fails. In the last video, I created a logical test which was a single argument test. Let's create a test with AND function is equal to and first logical test would be if B3 is equal to C3, comma B4 is equal to C4. So now we are giving Excel multiple logical tests. B5 is equal to C5. So enter and we get a false because this is fails, and if I copy this in C column, the result is true. What if, because all the tests are passed, this is true? What if this red fails? Let's delete this C4 and the result is false. So for the AND function to give a true result, all logical tests have to be passed.